Let's begin painting the lemonade. I had used two different references for this, so attach both of them. First starting with the ice cubes. And I'm painting first plain white over the ice cubes and a little bit of watery black I'm going to use over it to make a grayish shade ice cube. So actually I mixed matched both of these references to make this jar of lemonade. I love the jar, but I love the slices of lemon from the glass and so on. So I kind of mix matched both of them and drew it. So attaching both over here for reference of painting. Here you can see I used watery black over wet white, making it gray. And now I'm going to paint the lemonade. Very simple. Just use the plain chrome yellow or gamboge yellow from bottom. As our lemons were not lemon yellow in shade, I'm using the glass reference for making the lemonade more yellowish, more deeper yellow, so that. And at the base here I'm just adding a tinge of orange and some yellow ochre to give a little darker tone. And on the top I'm going to spread it using water, and a little bit even on the ice cubes I have spread the watery yellow so that they don't look very dark, and same on this ice cube also watery yellow.